这样可以分是吧？
我就是。
Nang bunda di, nang off to.
Hả?
Marunong ito na yan. Nang bunda di yan. Sige ang kulagay.
Hawar, minit mga mukha mo.
Biyaw yung ito.
Ako na. Mado shim na daw mukha.
Minit na. Kanong maadi ka siya.
Idam.
Kan setting to ba. Si dum ay ha. Si yagi so siya to kele na chaga na kamay to.
Kino.
Yagi kan si tira pa. Makagi sila nga ba.
Topic ano ba mo husik ko? Projectile motion. Si कर्म motion है वो body इसी की motion से art की gravity ना effect हो और acceleration due to gravity of the art ना effect होगा motion do projectile motion को भी चलिए लंबी सी कोई न करी कोगे वो ट्रेजेक्टरी को भी it is the part moved by a body in projectile motion. The projectile simakal anilay horizontal projectile haibama sida kari legebu khara awang ba jaga dagi body si horizontally sana langba ground tarani bakada sis si projectile motion gravity number more tara ini adu nathraga si horizontal line da acute angle of form toraga body si langba making an angle acute angle theta sis gravity number more ga makada tarakani adu hosigi ani subasi akoina angular projectile haraga su khangne akoina sis akoi syllabus salisidi ani sidani ko sida angular projectile ja hana hosi as velocity u the horizontal the angle theta form toraga project of the angle si lange gravity number more tarakani sesi mana chale bilambi si trajectory kora trajectory gi equation derivation parikha gi hangali aduga mukari legebu chale bilambi gi shape si parabola hoy syllabus something cross check to ko ai still ko over the cover okay the full put out there a body is thrown making an angle with horizontal so that the trajectory is a parabola or derived the equation of trajectory. Diagram में क्या को velocity of the body is object u ni so resolve to resist resolution of vector apply to it horizontal my component ani lani horizontal component ama x axis ki u cos theta haibama uy equal to u sin theta haibama component ani le si component ani sida maram oraga motion makal ani legini horizontal velocity ama legini horizontal motion ama legini kanana maram oraga ux na maram oraga vertical motion ama legini kanana maram oraga uy na maram oraga haiba motion makal ani si same time de legini si aduga hojik sida mu motion si hobodagin loiba phawada horizontal velocity of the body si change to be always constantly it remains unchanged or uniform kariginabu motion affected by gravity gravity ne affect huwa motion dini projectile motion ko gudi aduna horizontal motion si gravity ne affect huwa ngamde change to huwa ngamde kariginabu gravitational force si vertically upward si angle 90 theta equal to 90 aduna component of a given vector along a line perpendicular to it is always 0 mataki see diagram u ki case the theta 90 already theta is 90 already ux ki value 0 ta u cos 90 lani and it will be 0 see diagram ka mai lagta hai u is perpendicular lagta hai aduna u is in a perpendicular natraga given vector amana perpendicular line amada high given vector dugi component 0 hai adudi gravitational force ki component along horizontal line fx is equal to u cos 90 lani u cos theta value 90 it is 0 adudi any horizontal motion se art ki gravity ne affect hoti aduna maram moraga ux ki value se howdagina loibu phawda change to be adum legani aduna sidagi kari question idea concept ma khangba yara the quantity that remains unchanged the quantity that remains constant during projectile motion amadi ux vector horizontal component of velocity high basic theory se akoina discuss to matamda air number morga p resistance neglect to we assume that there is no air resistance again mafam du leba acceleration due to gravity si constant ne lo aduna gravity ne affect to motion oibanina acceleration of the body is acceleration due to gravity water at any point on trajectory acceleration c g always money acceleration due to gravity always money aduna c ju constant adu quantity ani constant le projectile motion the constant level quantity kana no haragadi acceleration of the body and the horizontal component of velocity of the body ani is you ko adu horisida trajectory ki equation derive to bini trajectory si kab hoiba lambi amdala parabola haiba kab hoiba lambi sida level point am consider to si p my coordinate xy adu the point p is ki coordinate si xy ni x coordinate haiba kab hoiba lambi sida p hulakpada see point p is hulakpada changba time si t ne khala my coordinate x haibam le adu the time t da mana cover to see x have horizontal distance ama cover to be y have a vertical distance ama or displacement ama cover to vertical displacement y horizontal displacement x man cover to see time t da. The actual displacement of the body di kana hoita starting point o ga p ga joint over straight line to sang baduna actual displacement high actual displacement see cover to over sang time see small t ko time is small t ni horizontal x to cover to over changma time to t ni vertical is cover to over changma time to t ni adun x ka y ga ani gi mark level relation am establish to tare ko let u equal to velocity of projection, velocity of projection theta equal to angle of projection theta ji velocity से resolve to see the velocity u can be resolved number one the horizontal component comma ux equal to x suffix like u cos theta theta को ना पके one to vertical component comma uy equal to u sin theta the component anisina maram oraga motion makal ani lakta hai horizontal motion ama vertical motion ama subna vertically straight ta sumka gi bo ragadi horizontal motion litre aduna sidagi kari concept amaga mukhang dagebu body si gravity ne effect toraga su projectile motion with double adu projectile motion we hai taragadi velocity of the body is component always ani legada means two-dimensional motion wegani one-dimensional motion affected by gravity projectile motion ko di queen suppose body ma vertically straight lankhale khalo gravity ne effect hogi projectile motion nati mathak de makha da ta reng khalo adu ju projectile motion nati aduna component of velocity is always ani legada ko simaga concept oitara competitive exam jingda hangali adudi point p bhai yore khalasi in time t da the high time t da p da level coordinates x and y horizontal displacement x kanana cover tawni ux na cover tawni adudi hori sida s equal to ut koi the level formula si plus half at square karigumba acceleration of the body is acceleration due to gravity or amdragadi half at square chiloguni so horizontal distance x equal to horizontal velocity ux t plus half ax acceleration along x axis t square acceleration along x axis is 0 karigi horizontal motion se gravity na effect hogdi aduna ux ke value hongde dumle horizontal motion horizontal velocity is unaffected by gravity. Kariginabu is component of gravity along horizontal is 0. If the body is at P coordinate x comma y in time t comma time t dama p dele the displacement x ko y ko putoksi. Therefore x equal to uxt. Acceleration aro among sida utkre sigi ux ax ke value 0 x equal to uxt dang lagta ra uxt u cos theta implies that x equal to u cos theta t relation y am putoksi vertical di gravity ne effect hokta hai. And y equal to uyt minus half gt square. Negative line see upward beginning z the upward motion gravity ke against the set pagi downward la upward plus together. So vertical distance or displacement ni adu de hawi sidagi y equal to u sin theta into t minus half gt square. The equation sigi relation y ki phangiba relation siga x ki phangiba relation duga adugi marakta x y ki relation putokadaba chaliba lambi du da leba coordinate sigi marakta leba relation putokadaba. Suppose straight line am lereng thalo height be straight line du da leba pointing the different coordinate lay sisi karumba line ji straight line or magadi tonga different point anigi coordinate ani khangagadi high by straight line ki equation e bi ai my coordinate geometry ka tamong ne khali y equal to mx plus c. So equation of straight line is cos slope y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 ko adum nu dia ong ne khali adum de la ro ge the x ka y ka level relation amal le adu di anigi molecular relation established to the x ka y ga anigi molecular relation established to ga haragadi hoji yengo expression ani sida equation ani sida yawba common factor du mahantare common factor di kana wini tebito equation 1 yawba term jingu yengo hoji phangiba y gi de phangiba term jingi yengo ani mukti yawba common factor sikarambo ini Garo
Yuga
Tiga, okay. Resma, come bro. Resma kain paibam.
Sir.
Common quantity kariyawi. Question 1 ne hoji y gi phangi besne y gi equations ne the common factor haitare kana ogini fully.
Sir, U का T.
U with T, okay. So being see. Sunni haro. Nita je. Hangi udabama ui hai. Livon.
Sir, time tang hai ba?
Time kaktang. Kanano hai ja. Sonira. Okay. Vidya Chandra.
Short time je mahal lani ja. Time katang.
Time kaktang. Okay. Limthang Amdi. T. Okay. Shivdatta.
T.
Okay. Time kaktang hoy gani ko U yaw roy. Karignebu question one that time yawi T yawi U yawi T yawi. Abji yango. Y ki right side ki ahan batam the U yawi T yawi. Right Y ki right side ki anishu batam the T kaktang yawi U yawi. Aduna U is common factor na T is. T is ahum loina mukti yawi. T is common factor hoita hai. Aduna karigumba equation anege barak chaleba relation established to hara agadi. Akon always karma concept apply to wada gebu common factor mahan bigada. Ko kawe adresim. Adu the relation anis dagi time T is eliminate of tara. This implies that y equal to u sin theta. T value C equation 1 dagi x divided by u cos theta minus half g T value x by u cos theta whole square. Since of equation 1 dagi the ahan bar right side kida u ani cancel. Sin by cos theta. Therefore, y equal to x tan theta minus gx square divided by 2 times of u square cos square theta. See equation of trajectory in this. Go we are the chimpa putar. See trajectory की equation derived होगा. Parabola आमने ने prove तो है वो मियारी. को Ankit on to class 19 the graph you put on my ko.
Also.
Quadratic equation की graph you put on pura.
Tam this one.
Mukte. Linear equation का टिक यूरम था ना. The horizontal equation से quadratic equation ने करम्बा x quadratic equation in x. अदुना quadratic equation के ग्राफ से एक पदा always parabola फंगे. Equation का तो derive तो होती सिलो है. since the equation of trajectory is quadratic, equation, comma, the trajectory is a parabola. Parabola di kon ba koi yerum ki maning kon bado, dumang kon bado. The parabola ko. Sigi theory khar leri. Ado hasida chali balambi si projectile motion trajectory and ko video ko na. The maximum vertical height. Velocity component ani lekha, horizontal component and vertical component ani ni lay. At any position the check toroxi. Amana horizontal, amana vertical select this. Adu se mathak tu sumka khala ini. Adu the hojikari lay. See point the highest points the Sidena Matakakapang Dragadi vertical velocity 0 time. Masdena Kakapangam. See points the Mataka Kakapangam Dragadi final velocity for vertical motion is 0. Vy equal to 0, but still it continues other part of the motion. Makata motion the lady see canana more lactino. The in any position the horizontal velocity is chmo hongi. Other velocity at the highest point you can now horizontal component ux equal to u cos theta. Similar conceivable later. Go. Velocity at the highest point